Meeting actually exactly
No,
on
we have come to a
crematorium.
meeting because there is some work pending as far as the crematorium is concerned.
Huh.
Because I mean, there's a lot of work which is to be done. It is the crematorium is totally in a mess. Now, CM basically has called the contractor and the DMA, and so they have instructed to complete the work at the earliest.
Okay, so how long it can take or begin?
No, it will be done. Means work will be in full.
Okay, tell us about the smart city CEO and all who has said CCTVs are more important than the other works.
Sorry.
CCTVs are more important. It looks for the new CEO as the smart city is concerned.
See, first and foremost, 180 crores. That's the reason from day one I've been saying that this is a wasteful expenditure. Now, why I don't understand why these people are following on that decision. Because at least as far as it looks to me that the new CEO, whoever has been given on this thing, he looks to be more of a company man than CEO of the company, CEO of the smart city. No, but I have discussed this thing with CM. CM has asked for a review meeting of the smart city of all the projects which the smart city has taken.
Okay, what about this as far as buying in garbage also issue? Ayush minister and presentation दिले minister का CM opposing that garbage treatment plant.
See, garbage treatment plant they require full Tiswadi basically requires a garbage treatment plant, and garbage treatment plant basically even the tendering process everything it is gone way beyond anyone to withdraw it. So there is no question of withdrawal of any garbage treatment plant. Garbage treatment plant will come there, and plus we have got a thing even as far as the matter is in the court. Even the court has been monitoring this with the pollution control board.
Okay.
So there is no question of withdrawing the garbage treatment plant. And all those buildings are basically have come later. Garbage treatment plant was proposed much before this building scheme.
What is the comment about the former MLA, Sanjim MLA, commenting on this smart city thing?
I will not comment on a person
No, because
who has got no basically standing to comment it.
रस्त्याची कामं केन्ना स्टार्ट
रस्त्याची कामं.
रस्ते कव्हर झाले
आता अत्यंत सोयीचा न्हू हांकां तोड लागलेले हा एक कॅमेरा घालपाचो कॅमेरा घालून कितें करूंक सोदता लोक कशें पडटा तें पळोवंक सोदता काय म्हणून ते मातशें
crematorium आणि किती changes बाकी त्या मागल्या.
No, there is no change. Same the same. It is just to speed up the work. The work is really slow.
By when you want to see it fully completed? Like?
So all the people of Panjim because are really basically there's a lot of difficulties.
Okay.
At least the barrier, let the people get a good decent barrier at least. The last voyage of that.
Okay.
So we are pushing that thing. The CM also has basically instructed the contractor and the DMA basically to speed up the work.